What's up, guys? I have questions about my lagoon table that I showed you guys on my YouTube channel recently. Walmart cutting board. These are 1-inch galvanized pipe from Home Depot. Here's a 90-degree male to female elbow, and the table screws in to this flange that you could buy in the plumbing section, and you could just remove the table by unscrewing this. It comes right off, and you can stow it away, or you can just tighten it up like that. Then you got a female 90-degree elbow, another pipe, and this just spins freely in this ABS that I cut. So Home Depot will cut these pipes for you, so you basically got to come up with your own sizes. And then I'm still working on getting some kind of rubber O-ring in here to snug it up a little bit, or maybe a plastic ring that fits perfectly, but for now it's fine. So basically this just pulls straight out. I could just lift out the whole table. So I would, if I want to just take this out, I would unscrew this, stow it away, and then just pull out the pipe. And I could also stow that away. And then here you see got just a couple brackets. I need to just get some bigger brackets so it's more sturdy. But I mean, honestly, this thing's surprisingly holding it nice and tight. So I might put one more down here, and this will stay here all the time. And then my thought is, because here's my camper, that's the rear of it, I'm gonna get one more plastic ABS pipe right here. That way I could use the table, swing it outside if I need to, or swing it right there in that spot. Yeah, so like I said, I mean, here's my bench. I could seat one or two here. We could hang out. I just ate breakfast right here, actually. Look at, one more could sit here. Or there's another seat right here, which I have cushions for. So, and this just sits right here over you. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of configurations to this, and I thought I was gonna stow it away every time, but I've liked it so much the past few days. My son did his homework here last night. Sorry, I had a burp. And yeah, it's been working out good. So real quick, one more time, plastic ABS. This is 1 1/4, I believe, or maybe 1 1/2, the smallest one they had in the plumbing section. And then you got 1-inch galvanized pipe, female to female elbow, another 1-inch pipe, and then another elbow. And then of course the flang just screwed in, and as you can see the threads right there, it just screws and unscrews. You know, you want to tighten it up, now it's nice and snug. And then when I'm driving, I use this bungee and this bungee, snug it up. So now you can see a little bit better how it works. Get a nice wide view of my truck camper. I use it like a van, so right now my camper's collapsed, it pops up. But when I'm not camping, I'm out on my lunch break at work or whatever, I use it like a van where I do have to duck a little bit, but not much. Yeah, so let me know if you guys have any more questions about how I made the table. Bunch of Home Depot parts, just got to get creative. And in my videos earlier, I linked to how I did it, or I linked to other videos of people who have done it and showed some better instructions than I have. All right, guys, thanks for watching.